Hi. Boy, do I feel so much better. It's been so stressful getting to this point with you. But we need to make sure a few final things. Okay. So this is the last video for this code book under importing. I work hard to provide you things. Please consider doing your work. Last video for code book with course expectations in this new format. So what does this mean? It means that I have now done I've provided you an entire new learning environment. And from my lens, because I've been doing this a long time, you can't say that it's not working. All right, so you need to change your perspective, and you need to get back into this saddle here and realize that you are in this class, and I am required to grade you. So that means you have to show me that you're doing work. I'm a very fair person. So what we're going to do, not in this video, all I'm asking you to do in this homework, because we need a new baseline, is I'm asking you to run every code block and interpret what you think is happening. Okay? So what is happening here? Well, it used these libraries, pandas, numpy, like, yo, what's that? It put some stuff in a data frame. And then here is the data that is in the spreadsheet that you saw in the last video. So now the data is inside the tool. The data is inside a data object. Okay, that's what this is displaying for you down here when you print the data info. You only need to know basic commands for this course, but what I have just highlighted is a basic command. All right? I reprovisioned a new computer to make sure. I know that you can see this. I know the videos are clear. All right? We're going to work in GitHub. I have GitHub. This is the old GitHub. If you look, 2023. That's because I always provide my students with accessibility to their information, so when they go out into the corporate world and job market, they can go and sustain their work. All right, those are the things that I'm doing for you, too. So you see ETL, extract, translate, load. All right, well, now what you're going to do, answer here. You need to go say, what do I see that happened? If you're confused what happened, copy this information. See what I just did? I can copy it because that's the environment you're in. Copy that, copy the code. You can get assistance with, like I say to you, ChatGPT. I'm going to be providing you things in Homework 3 for using ChatGPT, but you need to put an answer and reflection here. All right? So now the rest of the exercises, I teach you some basic manipulation so you start to understand if I have a data object, I can use a construct called iteration to iterate information in it. I can go count the number of words, I can go count the number of plays. So these big words that you see here, these are all just computing words. All right? So go and read everything. Tell me what you understand, don't understand, insert a comment, or don't. The last section is to show you what high-paid data scientists do so you can then go predict what the play type is. Is a comedy play like a history play? Right? This is kind of like saying, I have a friend, and is my friend lying to me? Well, if you were to take all of their text for the last 2 years, I can actually give you the code to help figure out if they're lying to you. So this is where we're going in the course, and I want you to be very excited. I'm excited, and it includes hacking. All right, bye.